Hello, welcome to the Andrew James support channel. Today we're looking at the 7-in-1 soup maker. I've had a couple of inquiries where customers are trying to use the item and it's just beeping. Now the reason for that is it needs to be set up in a particular way. What we need to do is we need to make sure that this padlock is in line with the white arrow on the top of the jug. I've just set it up incorrectly just to show you how it does behave if it's not set up properly. Right, so if it's not on properly and you try and use any of these functions, it'll just do this. It'll just keep beeping. The reason for it is that obviously that's a safety feature and this is a blender. You can't turn the item on without the lid being on. Now the way that the machine knows that the lid's on correctly is there's a little magnet on the underside of that padlock symbol and that lines up with this metal connector here and that lets the machine know that the lid's in place. So if we set that up correctly, turn it on, that's working fine there. So as long as you make sure that that padlock is in line with the white arrow and that filter on the front, that wants to be in line with the spout, the machine will work fine. For any more information on how to use any of the 7 functions that this machine comes with, don't forget to consult your user manual. Also, if there are any more Andrew James products that you'd like us to do a setup video for or any troubleshooting videos, just comment below and we'll sort it out for you. And also, don't forget to subscribe.